one is going to be a crab dip for like an appetizer if you want. Yeah. Say hey.
Hey.
Say hey, YouTube.
Hey.
We are making a crab dip today. Super easy, super quick. You're going to love it. It's really good.
It's too high for me.
We always like it. Right, TJ?
You're right.
Yeah. All right. Stay tuned, y'all. Okay, you guys. So it's going to be about 12 of us this year for Thanksgiving. So we are going to use 16 ounces of cream cheese softened for this crab dip. Then we're going to use about 1/4 cup sour cream. We're getting that ready right now. Just feel free to fill it up, you guys. Some of you, I know if you are watching your figure and things like that, there's always like the light sour cream or like the fat-free sour cream. But me personally, I think those sour creams taste different, and I want this to taste good this year for Thanksgiving. So we just went all out and got the regular sour cream. We don't want anyone to say that they came to Samantha's house and the food was nasty. We need them to go and say, I went to Samantha's house for Thanksgiving and the food was banging. That's what I need. All right. See, we added the sour cream and the cream cheese. Now we're gonna add the mayonnaise. So 1/3 cup mayonnaise. And again, you guys, I know mayonnaise is fattening, but there's light and other kinds out there. But like I said before, my food needs to taste good this year. So we are going to use this regular mayonnaise right here. And it's about 1/3. Y'all don't mind my measuring cup. It broke. Things happen. It fell over. Something hit it. I honestly do not remember exactly how that thing broke. But whatever. It's still used. It still works. It's still useful.
I might get some like these.
Oh, I got it from Kirkland's if you guys like it.
Yeah, you want to be low fatty and real quick.
Alright, you guys, so we want our food to be really cheesy and fattening. So we are going to add 2 cups of that mild cheddar cheese, shredded, you guys. Don't go out and get the block or be like, well, I got a block of cheese in the fridge. No, like I got leftover macaroni and cheese. I mean, unless you use a shredded one, go ahead. But we want the shredded cheese. Hold on, we're having some difficulties opening the cheese. Hang tight, you guys.
Cheese.
Alright, so that's 1 cup of mild cheddar cheese in. And the second cup is coming. Here goes the second cup. You guys, we could always add more cheese if you want. It's no such thing as it's too cheesy. I mean, personally, I don't mind the extra cheese. It's pretty good. Alright, now you guys, we are going to add the seasonings. So we're going to add some paprika, some Worcestershire sauce, some lemon juice. I'm sorry, some lime juice. Oh, no, lemon juice. I'm right. Lemon juice. And some salt and pepper.
And paprika, I think. You said paprika? Oh, you said garlic powder?
Oh, garlic powder, y'all.
Yeah, please don't forget the garlic powder.
Don't forget that, like I just did. Don't mess the whole thing up. So we need about 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. So boom, it's 1 teaspoon. But we doubling it this year, so we're going to use another teaspoon. Boom. 2 teaspoons. Next is
1/2 of paprika, so 1 teaspoon.
1 teaspoon of paprika. Don't use the smoked paprika, you guys. Just the regular paprika. I know some people might be like, well, I have some paprika in the pantry. Don't use the smoked. Because I had the smoked paprika, but I had to go out and get this regular paprika. There is a difference. Some of you might be thinking, what is the difference? Paprika is paprika. But there is a difference. And if you taste the regular paprika and then you have the smoked one, you will taste the difference. You will understand what I'm trying to say. So now we're going to use some Worcestershire sauce. We went out and we got the Publix brand of the Worcestershire sauce because, you know,
It's cheap.
it's Thanksgiving and it's cheaper. We had a lot of food to buy. If you weren't following the videos, we made candied yams earlier. If you don't see that video, go ahead and check it out. That's pretty cool and good. We made a sweet potato pie. We didn't make a video of it, but we made cakes. We made brown stewed chicken. We had a lot of food. Macaroni and cheese. What's Thanksgiving without macaroni and cheese? Okay, so that's 2, what's that, Gina? Tablespoons of paprika. What are you putting in the extra one?
I wasn't sure if that was probably a tablespoon. The first one I put in.
Oh, okay.
Well, maybe it's the liquid will help it.
I'm sure it won't hurt none.
Yeah.
And we have our teaspoon of lemon juice. Tablespoon, sorry.
No, I was like, oh crap, I'm about to.
Lemon juice. Now, this is crab dip. So, you know, that lemon juice, it tastes pretty good with the crab dip. What's wrong, Noah? You all right over there? Say hey. Say hey. Happy Thanksgiving. He has on his Thanksgiving outfit.
Where's your salt? Please.
Now we're putting a teaspoon of salt. Now, you know, just do a little bit of salt. You can always add more, but you can't take it out. And it's supposed to be a teaspoon of pepper, but we have a grinder, so we're just going to eyeball this one.
You can add to it pepper. So now you need to mix it all up first before you add the crab.
Alright, now we're going to mix it all up before we add the crab.
That's it.
Cream cheese, you know, the more you let it sit out and soften, the easier it'll be to mix. We're kind of in a rush this morning. It's getting kind of late. Hold on. Use the plastic spoon.
Oh, yeah, good. Scratch at the bottom.
Yeah. It's in there. That's right. Guys, so then after we added all of that, we added 2 tablespoons of Old Bay seasoning. Just the regular Old Bay seasoning. Sometimes you find like the Old Bay that has extra stuff in it, like lemon and things like that. But we just want the regular Old Bay. All right,
2 pounds of crab meat.
So we have 2 pounds of crab meat.
It doesn't really matter what kind you use. The lump's the best, but it's also expensive. So we usually use some lump and then mix it with the claw, which is a lot cheaper. They all taste good. It's a dip.
Okay.
If people want to be bougie about it, that they can pay for it.
Normally you should add them all like one at a time instead of all at once, but we're kind of in a rush right now. We have to be out the house in like maybe 30 minutes. So we're just going to add it all in at once and stir it up. Then once you're done stirring it up, you're going to put it in a baking pan. We have our baking pan. And you're going to put it in the oven for what, about like 30 minutes?
25.
20 to 25 minutes,
you want to use a more shallow baking dish so that it actually cooks evenly. If it's too deep, you're going to have like the very top very burnt and the bottom's going to be uncooked.
You guys heard that? Don't get a dish too deep, because if it's too deep, the bottom will not cook and the top will burn. Alright, so we're going to continue to fold this crab meat in. Stay tuned. When we're done folding it, we're going to put it in the oven for 20-25 minutes, and then we're going to take it out. I'm going to show you guys the finished product, and then we're going to run to my mom's because we have like a lot of food here and she's waiting on us. So hang tight, don't go anywhere. Alright, you guys, so our crab dip is finished. It was in the oven for about a good 30 minutes. And you can hear the sizzling. Oh, can you guys hear that? I don't know. But it smells really good. I can't wait to dig in. It's a little jiggly if you jiggle it. So you're just going to let it sit for about 5 minutes and then it should harden up. Guys, I hope you enjoy this recipe because I do.
No.
Alright, you guys. So I hope you enjoyed our crab dip recipe. It is really good. It is Thanksgiving today. We are actually running out of the house right now. You can hear everybody in the background trying to pack up the car with everything. I hope you really enjoy this. I do. If you like, I posted about 2 other videos of things we made this year for Thanksgiving. Candied yams and sweet potato pie. Go go ahead and check those out. And I'll see you soon. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe, y'all.
Bye. Peace.